Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
And this one was sent to us over sa ating Byahe Textline na 0917-851-4329. So, eto na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Kiss. Hi DJ Lala, call me Kiss from Cagayan de Oro. I just need your help because by this time, I don't know what to do. My boyfriend ako isang MIU, ngunit sa ibang lugar siya na destino. At may anak kami 2 years old na ngayon. I do have a trust issue on him kasi nung 3 days after I gave birth, may nabasa akong convo with a girl planning na maglalasing daw sila. But other messages are deleted. And with that scenario, palaging may trust issues ako sa kanya. Sabi niya mahal niya kami pero hindi ko naman nakikita sa kanya na priority kaming mag-ina. He can provide the needs sa baby namin but the plan para sa aming family meron naman pero hanggang plano na lang. Di ko kasi siya nakikitaan ng actions palagi na lang kaming last option. By this time, gusto ko nang bumitaw but the future of my son yung palaging hinuhold back ko. Pero hanggang kailan kami maghihintay na palagi naman kaming last option? Am I selfish for being this? Am I a selfish mother if bibitawan ko na siya? Thank you DJ Lala for your advice and more power to your show. Well, my love, ganito no? Kiss de diretso na ako, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Sometimes kasi yung trust issues na yan. The reason as to why hanggang ngayon it takes a hold on you is because those are unresolved issues. Mga issues na hindi na napag-usapan, hindi na bigyang linaw. It's haunting you. It's clouding your judgment as a person, as a partner, as a wife. So it's clouding your judgment. Hindi ko maitanong sa iyo at di ko rin makuha yung sagot sa tanong ko. Pero I'll just put it out there. Have you ever talked to your partner about this so-called chat na nabasa mo? What happened after that chat? Nagkatotoo ba yun? Nag-yes ba siya sa inuman na yun? Deleted ba siya kasi tinatago siya? Or deleted siya kasi ayaw siya? Kasi marami namang rason ang isang tao para i-delete yung messages Ako, I do delete messages, those messages from people that I really don't want to see in my messenger. 'Di ba? In my phone. Ayoko silang makita Ayoko makita yung messages nila. Ayokong biglang mabuksan yung messages nila at ayoko ding mag-isip yung partner ko ng kung ano-ano. So, para na lang wala na lang usapan, i-delete ko na lang 'yon. Yung conversation na yon. Now, kung nakabasa ka ng convo na katulad nun or yung text na yon na tara maglasing tayo, hindi naman ako magiging naive. Hindi rin ako magiging insensitive. Hindi din naman ako magiging hypocrite para sabihin baka ano lang yon, baka chat lang yon, walang nangyari. Siyempre naglalinger yung possibilities. Pero in order for you to put a period sa mga possibilities na yon is if you'll talk to your partner about it. And I suggest you do that. Uulitin ko, the reason as to why meron ka pang trust issues up until this moment and it's clouding your judgment as a partner is because unresolved yung issue. Hindi na pag-usapan, hindi na tuldukan. So pag-usapan nyo munang dalawa. Then kapag narinig mo yung kasagutan niya at nasatisfy ka sa sagot niya, i-assess mo yung nararamdaman mo. Maybe the reason why nararamdaman mong inadequate yung pagmamahal niya sa inyo, inadequate yung atensyon na ibinibigay niya sa inyo, is because you are thinking na sa mga oras na hindi kanya chinachat, sa mga oras na sa tingin mo hindi kanya pinaprioritize or kayo pinaprioritize, kasama niya yung whomever that girl is. Ang kasama niya ay kung sino man yung nag-chat na gustong makipag-inuman sa kanya at makipaglasing sa kanya. You get me, my love? Sometimes, naka-cloud ng fear, ng jealousy, ng assumption, yung judgment natin Tapos, naku-quote natin siya ng something else. At yung something else na yon is you judging him na hindi kayo pinaprioritize mag-ina. I am not trying to side with him. I am trying to salvage your family. Kasi I don't want you to think that way. Kasi hard na it is na magkalayo kayong dalawa. Hard na it is na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan when it comes sa pakikipag-communicate sa isa't isa. It will be even harder kapag ganyan pa yung magiging mentality mo. You are not selfish. You are in pain. You are hurt. And you have all the right to be hurt. Kasi nami-misinterpret mo eh. Or may nabasa ka, may pinanggagalingan ka, may pinanghuhugutan ka. So I suggest you talk to your partner. Tell him whatever it is na nakita mo and what you feel about it. Then let that conversation count. Then from there, saka ka mag-decide. Will you stay in this relationship and fight for your family? Or will you let go of someone na nananatili lang sa inyo kasi meron siyang pananagutan? That can only be answerable by, my love, by the answers na pwede mong makuha mula sa kanya. Klaro? Klaro.